Today we're going to play Final Sound Tic Tac Toe. So watch me as I play with my partner and we try to get 3 X's or 3 O's. All right, first one. The letter that we're choosing is P. So we need to say 3 words that end with P. The final sound is P, P. Okay, word 1, tap. Word 2, wrap. Word 3, rip. I got it. All right, I get to move my X into a spot, and that's the spot that I'm choosing. Okay, player 2's going to go, and player 2's letter is V. V. All right, here we go. Player 2, can you name 3 words with the final sound V? Okay, word 1, have. Word 2, wave. Word 3, pave. All right, player 2 got all the sounds ending with the V. Player 2, where do you want to go? I think I want to go here. All right, player 1, it's your turn, and your final sound is H, 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 H. Can you think of words that end with the H, H, H sound? All right, player 2, give it a go.